Hazrat Abu Barza radiyallahu anhu states, the Prophet ﷺ was in a holy war. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu granted him wealth. He ﷺ said to his companions radiyallahu anhum, is any one of you absent? They submitted yes, so and so. He ﷺ again said, is any one of you absent? They submitted yes, so and so. He ﷺ again asked, is any one of you absent? They submitted no. He ﷺ said, but I find Julaybib absent. Search him out. They searched him among the martyrs and found his body lying there beside the dead bodies of 7 people whom Hazrat Julaybib radiyallahu anhu had killed. Then they martyred him. The Prophet ﷺ came close to him and said, he killed the 7 and they martyred him. He is from me and I am from him. He is from me and I am from him. He ﷺ then picked his corpse with his both hands, and only he ﷺ carried him. Then his grave was dug and he was placed in the grave. The reporter did not mention bathing him. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6308.